Next topic is how can we handle multiple promises at once? So this is possible. I'll just explain the concept here and we will have an example after this. We have three promise. We can handle all the three promise one by one with single then block. Syntactically, we will see how that is possible. So I will just create a new promises. Promise 1 equal to promise dot. So straight away we will use resolve to make the code simpler to understand. So our main aim is now to create multiple promise and to handle multiple promise at once. First promise. Third promise. Fourth promise. So I have created 4 promises. If we run this code, we will get nothing because we have just created the promise but not used anywhere. So how I will be able to run all these 4 promises at once? That is possible. There is something called Promise.all. So this have the ability to run multiple promises at once. Create an array, put all the promises inside that. Promise 1, promise 2, promise 3, promise 4. Once all the promises are added inside that Promise.all function as an array, then you can add then block results all promises completed. So we have created 4 promises, added all the 4 promises inside this array, and we have used Promise.all function to run all the promises at once, and then we have captured the result and printed. See, all promises completed. If I just want to print that results also, I can do that. See, so result of all the promises, that is resolve of all the promises, have been returned in an array. Like how we have added the promise inside the promise all, it captured all the results in same kind of array and returned as a results here inside the then block. So you will be able to capture all the results, we will not be missing anything. So this is how you can create multiple promise, n number of promises, and handle all the promise at once. And result of all the promises will be captured in an array inside the then block. Using the results variable, you can just print the results as well.